Hello everyone, wherever you are watching from. I hope you're doing great and enjoying these early days of 2026, spending time with family, friends, and of course diving deep into Barca conversations. Even though it's still a holiday period for many, the countdown to our return home continues and the excitement is building every single day. We are now just a few weeks away from our next home match at Camp Nou. And I don't know about you, but I'm counting down every single day. I've really missed the roar of the fans, the chants, and the magical atmosphere that only Camp Nou can provide. And even during this break period, the construction teams haven't slowed down at all. In fact, progress has accelerated in some critical areas. Today, we'll go over all the latest developments, from seating levels to the facade, ground-level works, and structural updates that are making the stadium safer, more modern, and ready for the fans. Music. Let's start with the part of the stadium closest to the Gol Nord area. This section is very active right now. You can see plenty of construction formwork and prefabricated seating elements being installed. For those who aren't familiar, these prefabricated elements are used to build the stadium seating levels. Not the roof, not the walls, just the tiers where the fans will sit. This is a critical stage because it's the foundation of the fan experience. Once these seating elements are fully installed, the stadium will not only accommodate more fans, but also allow smoother movement within the stands. The pace here is impressive. Cranes are moving sections into place, and the construction crew is clearly coordinating perfectly. This area is a visible sign of progress, showing that Camp Nou is slowly but surely returning to life. Now let's move on to the facade work, which is really catching attention. There's careful, detailed work happening around the grandstand area, and scaffolding has been set up to allow workers to access higher sections. You'll notice workers welding parts of the facade, working under slabs and connecting tubes and pipes. These pipes aren't random. They're part of the stadium's water distribution system, which will supply water across the pitch, fan areas, and VIP sections. Shock absorbers have also been installed around the perimeter to enhance structural safety and reduce vibrations during matches with full crowds. Some fans feel the facade progress looks slow, but this is highly technical work. Every pipe, weld, and anchor matters for safety, aesthetics, and the overall fan experience. It's painstaking work, but progress is steady, and these details will pay off massively once completed. Next, let's talk about the prefabricated bleachers near the elevator structures. Workers are carefully installing pieces around these sections. While they may seem small, these additions will significantly improve mobility and safety inside the stadium. In the past, some fans complained about moving around the stadium during partially open matches. These extra exit points and access routes will make crowd movement much more flexible, allowing fans to reach their seats quickly and safely. This is where functional design truly meets fan comfort. Now let's take a look at the third tier, one of the most exciting parts of the renovation. Recent footage shows 2 scaffolding towers, and the chain crane has now raised the second pillar for the compression ring. Just a few days ago, only 1 scaffolding tower was visible, so this signals clear progress. The third tier is critical for additional seating capacity and for the visual transformation of Camp Nou. Moving down to ground level, there's plenty happening here as well. Materials have been stockpiled inside multiple sectors, including decorative plaques, glass panels, and heavy metal structures. Some of these will be lifted for the compression ring installation, while additional pillars will soon be erected upward. The parking ramps are also progressing well. Concrete has already been poured, and now workers are adding external structures. These ramps are essential for efficient crowd circulation, allowing fans to enter and exit the stadium smoothly on match days. These details might not look dramatic, but they're crucial for long-term safety, accessibility, and functionality. This is our first Camp Nou update of 2026, and the stadium is already looking impressive. From quieter experiences at Montjuic to preparing for matches at a partially renovated Camp Nou, the difference is clear. Looking ahead, 2026 is shaping up to be a massive year for the stadium. By next season, we could see Camp Nou fully completed, all tiers operational, the facade finished, lighting installed, and maximum capacity reached. I can't wait to hear the roar of over 60,000 fans echoing through the newly upgraded tiers. The combination of prefabs, compression rings, improved mobility, and modern aesthetics will create a stadium experience that's louder, safer, and unforgettable. Blue and red lights illuminating the facade, a sleek modern roof design, fully operational tiers, and expanded capacity. It's becoming a true football cathedral, and very soon, we'll all experience it together, starting with the home match on the 25th of January. If you enjoyed this Camp Nou update, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Visca Barca!